Hi, I'm Dave Banis. The way contractors engage with homeowners and sell new roofs has fundamentally changed. In order to win in the current market, contractors must find ways to make a personal connection with homeowners, in some cases without sitting at their kitchen table or shaking their hand to close a deal. Tapping into a range of available digital tools will help contractors successfully engage, connect, and interact with customers. Owens Corning has assembled a suite of virtual tools that help contractors rethink best practices in their business pipeline. From the first steps like setting up an appointment with Calendly or making a great impression while delivering face-to-face introductions over Zoom, Owens Corning wants to help contractors harness the power of digital tools to improve their presentations and strengthen their sales. Contractors can enhance their company's story by sending along resources like the Build Your Roof web tool or the Total Protection Roofing System flipbook. Aerial imagery solutions like EagleView and Hover allow contractors to provide no-contact roof measurements and reports using high-resolution aerial imagery for more clarity, more detail, and more certainty, and then easily integrate these measurements and reports into estimates and share them with customers without the need for an in-person meeting. Company Cam enables contractors to capture inspection and project photos and automatically organize them by location. Plus, they can add comments and share with the crew to easily track before, during, and after installation progress, all from their phones. The legal and financial components can also be handled virtually. Contractors can provide financing options using an easy-to-use process from Service Finance Company, and then close the deal with a digital signature, no pen and paper required. DocuSign allows users to securely transfer, exchange, and sign documents in a snap. ProSell is a powerful tool that Owens Corning helped develop to put selling tools like these and much more into one streamlined app. ProSell is available exclusively to Owens Corning Roofing Contractor Network members. Doing things virtually has never been more important, and these tools help contractors create personal, professional, and efficient connections with homeowners, saving time and money, and enabling contractors to close sales completely electronically. Owens Corning has made it easy with our virtual sales toolkit to get started or enhance an existing virtual sales and engagement process. Learn more at owenscorning.com/roofing.